In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in Microsoft OneNote. If you're taking notes for school, work, or a personal project, adding pictures can make your pages clearer and more visual. The process is the same on Windows, Mac, and the web, and it only takes a moment once you know where everything is. First, open OneNote and navigate to the page where you want the image. Make sure you're on the correct notebook and section, then open the exact page where the picture belongs. This avoids having to move things around later. Next, click on the spot on the page where you want the image to appear. OneNote places images exactly where your cursor is, so choosing the position now will keep your layout clean. You can always adjust it afterward. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of the OneNote window. This is where all content options live. Click Pictures. On some versions you may see Pictures, then from File. Choose that option to pick a picture from your computer. A file picker will open. Browse to the image you want to use, select it, and click Open. Common formats like JPG and PNG work perfectly. As soon as you click Open, the image drops right into your page. Once it's there, you can fine-tune the placement. Click and drag the image to move it anywhere on the page. To resize it, drag one of the small corner handles. Corners keep the proportions so the picture doesn't look stretched. If it appears too large or small, take a second to adjust until it matches your layout and text size. Here's a quick time saver. If the picture is already open in another app or you found it elsewhere, you can copy and paste it directly into OneNote. On Windows, use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. On Mac, use Command+C and Command+V. OneNote treats the pasted picture just like any image you insert from a file, so you can move and resize it the same way. That's all you need. Open your page, click where the image should go, use Insert and Pictures to select it, then position and resize as needed. With this simple workflow, your notes will be clearer, more organized, and easier to review.